Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video and in the next some videos we are going to learn how to make a list in Ionic 5 application. As is visible on the screen, this is our home page that is displaying a list of products in a list form. This may seem like a very simple list, but to be frank, there are a lot of small things in action. As you can see, this is a page, our home page, and it contains a list. So in Ionic, a list is created by a UI component known as Ion List. So we will be studying a great deal about it in this mini series. Now this list is populated by products from a data source, and when we get data from this data source, we have to arrange that data in specific slots. And if you can see, this whole area is just a small item of the Ion list. So here we are going to learn about Ion item tag. Inside this Ion item, now there is an image, so we are going to learn something about images in Ionic. Then here we have got some text, and here we will learn about Ion labels. Again 5.49 comes from an Ion label, so we are again going to learn about Ion label. And this $sign, it is not coming from Ionic, it is coming from Angular through a construct known as pipe. So we will be learning something about pipe as well. So if you can see, in this page alone, if we go for Ionic, if we talk about Ionic, we are going to learn about 4 different tags, that is Ion list, Ion item, Ion thumbnail, Ion label, and then something that is called as a pipe. So that is this is about this page. And the second functionality that we are going to see and build is, see, if what happens if I click here, I am navigated to another page that is displaying the description of that particular product. So now there is some Angular in picture as well. There is a concept in Angular known as Angular routing. So we will be learning about Angular routing as well. And if you see in this screen, there is a small, if I just expand this, you can see this is a rectangular layout, and this rectangular layout is built using Ion card. So we are also going to learn about what is Ion card and the different sections of Ion card UI components, such as Ion card header and Ion card title and subtitle and content. Then there is a back button on the title bar. If you can see, if we press it, then we will be navigated back to the home page. So all these things, when you are clicking, you are moving to a next page, you are clicking the back button, you are coming to the first page. All this is navigation, and this navigation is generally controlled by Angular and Angular's concept, Angular routing. So we'll be learning about all these and some more things in this video and upcoming videos. So we have talked about Ionic, that all the things that are visible to us is rendered through Ionic tags. The navigation is being handled by Angular. Now let's talk about the data source. The data source could be anything. It could be coming over a network, it could be coming from the local file system, it could be coming from just a file, some data it is that we are taking and displaying. So we'll be also learning the third major thing, that is calling an API. So we'll be learning about observables, promises, and how to call API, and some JSON as well, JSON parsing techniques, and HTTP as well. So there are a lot of things that we are going to cover from this video 4. So just stay tuned and like this video and share this video, so that all the people who want to learn Ionic can get benefited from it. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.